This is Dr. Ramya from GT Arts College, Dindigul. So at the outset, I must thank our management for conducting an awareness program about NPTEL in the year 2019. So now I have completed 29 NPTEL courses and a few courses conducted by IIT. And to start with, I have registered a course, Victorian Gothic Short Story by Dr. Divya. And the way she has taught that course has inspired me a lot, and that is why I decided to go for other courses. And though I have done nearly 34 courses altogether, my favorite 3 professors from IIT Chennai, that is why I came to meet them in person. The first one was Dr. Divya, and the second one, Dr. Merin Shemiraj, and the third one, Aisha Iqbal. So whenever I register for the courses, I used to check whether any courses from these teachers. Because as a faculty, it has helped me a lot to improve my classes. Because whenever they teach something, they will go deep into the subject and they will analyze everything. I used to just, a couple of hours, I just go deep into that video, the facial expression and all that. So from the depth of my heart, I thank all the coordinators who have taught us through these videos. Thank you so much.